Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the mesmerizing world of sari fashion with the one and only Samantha. Known for her impeccable style, she has been turning heads with her stunning sari choices. Let's dive right in. Her traditional sari choices are a true reflection of timeless elegance. Whether it's a vibrant Kanjivaram silk or a classic Banarasi, she effortlessly carries the rich heritage of Indian textiles. The intricate zari work and bold color choices add a regal touch to her ensembles. But Samantha doesn't stop at tradition alone. She seamlessly blends the old with the new, often opting for saris with a contemporary twist. Modern fabrics, unconventional drapes, and fusion blouse designs showcase her versatility in embracing the evolving landscape of fashion. In a world of excess, the actress stands out with her minimalistic chic sari looks. Solid colors, clean lines, and subtle embellishments highlight her belief in the power of simplicity. It's proof that you don't need extravagance to make a statement. One cannot talk about her sari style without mentioning her love for florals. From delicate floral prints to bold floral motifs, she brings a touch of nature to her wardrobe. These saris exude freshness and are perfect for various occasions. She often emphasizes the importance of choosing the right accessories, experimenting with blouse designs, and paying attention to draping techniques. Samantha's wardrobe set truly comes alive during festive seasons. Her sari choices for celebrations are a feast for the eyes. Intricate embroidery, sequins, and vibrant colors take center stage. These saris are a perfect blend of tradition and celebration, making her a style icon during festivities. What sets the actress apart is her exploration of regional sari styles. Whether it's a vibrant bandhani from Gujarat, a delicate chikankari from Lucknow, or a traditional kasavu sari from Kerala, she celebrates the diversity of Indian textiles. It's a testament to her appreciation for the cultural richness woven into each fabric. From red carpet events to casual outings, she proves that there's a sari for every occasion. She effortlessly transitions from glamorous embroidered saris to more relaxed cotton drapes, showing us that saris are versatile enough to suit any setting. One of the highlights of her sari fashion is her penchant for experimental blouse designs. Samantha isn't afraid to play with cuts, necklines, and sleeve styles. Whether it's a contemporary halter neck or a traditional high-neck blouse, each choice complements her sari ensemble and adds a unique flair. In an era where sustainability is gaining prominence, Samantha leads by example. Her sustainable sari choices, made from eco-friendly fabrics and crafted by local artisans, showcase her commitment to responsible fashion. It's a refreshing take on glamour with a conscience. Her sari fashion transcends borders as she seamlessly incorporates global influences into her wardrobe. Whether it's the graceful drape of a Japanese kimono or the bohemian vibes of a Moroccan-inspired sari, she proves that saris are a canvas for cultural fusion. In a nod to preserving cultural heritage, the actress often revives vintage sari styles. From heirloom pieces passed down through generations to reimagined classics, she showcases the timeless beauty of traditional weaves and handloom saris, encouraging a connection to our roots. Her wardrobe evolves with the seasons, and so do her sari color choices. From pastel hues in spring to earthy tones in autumn, she effortlessly adapts her sari palette to reflect the changing seasons. It's a masterclass in harmonizing fashion with nature's colors. Collaborating with renowned designers, her sari choices often reflect her appreciation for craftsmanship. Whether it's a signature piece from a celebrated designer or a custom creation, she showcases the artistry that goes into making each sari a wearable masterpiece. Beyond the saris themselves, Samantha's mastery in draping techniques is truly commendable. She experiments with various draping styles, from the classic navy drape to the modern butterfly drape. Her attention to detail in the way she wears each sari adds a personal touch and elevates the overall look. The actress embraces and promotes body positivity through her sari choices. Her diverse wardrobe showcases that saris are for every body type. Whether it's a flowing chiffon sari or a structured silk drape, she encourages everyone to find the style that makes them feel confident and beautiful. What sets Samantha apart is her ability to cater to various age groups with her sari styling. Whether it's a youthful contemporary look for the younger generation or an elegant, timeless style for older admirers, she proves that saris are ageless and can be embraced by all. She often shares her love for DIY sari makeovers on social media. From transforming old saris into trendy contemporary pieces to adding personalized embellishments, she inspires her followers to get creative and breathe new life into their sari collection. For Samantha, the sari is not just a garment, it's a symbol of empowerment. Through her fashion choices, she advocates for women's independence and self-expression. Her sari looks exude confidence, encouraging women to embrace their individuality with pride. Her fashion evolves with the seasons, and so does her approach to sari styling. Whether it's lightweight fabrics like georgette and chiffon for summer or rich silks for winter festivities, she effortlessly adapts her wardrobe, proving that saris can be worn with comfort and style all year round. As an accomplished actress, the actress often draws inspiration from cinema for her sari choices. Whether replicating iconic looks from classic films or infusing a contemporary twist into traditional movie-inspired saris, she seamlessly merges the realms of real fashion. Her commitment to promoting traditional craftsmanship extends to collaborations with skilled artisans. She actively engages with weavers and artisans, creating exclusive sari collections that celebrate the craftsmanship and unique stories woven into each piece. Staying on top of fashion trends, she takes on sari challenges, experimenting with unconventional drapes and emerging styles. Whether it's the latest trend in blouse designs or innovative ways to accessorize, she keeps her audience engaged with fresh and exciting sari fashion. The actress graces global events with her sari fashion, showcasing the versatility of this traditional Indian attire on an international stage. From film festivals to charity galas, her sari choices transcend cultural boundaries, making a bold statement about the global appeal of Indian fashion. Her sari choices often carry sentimental value, especially during special milestones in her life. From movie premieres to award ceremonies, each sari becomes a visual narrative, weaving together moments of achievement, joy, and personal growth. What sets Samantha apart is her seamless integration of saris into everyday life. Whether it's a casual brunch or a day out with friends, she demonstrates that saris can be both elegant and practical. Her ability to effortlessly incorporate traditional attire into daily routines inspires many to embrace saris beyond special occasions. The actress uses her sari choices as a platform for cultural advocacy. Each sari becomes a celebration of diversity, showcasing the beauty of different regional styles and weaving traditions. Through her fashion, she encourages a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of India's cultural heritage. Beyond fashion, her sari choices often align with philanthropic endeavors. She actively supports causes close to her heart, using her influence to highlight social issues. Her sari collaborations with charitable organizations bring attention to important causes and promote positive change. As Samantha evolves personally and professionally, so does her sari fashion. Her wardrobe reflects not only changing fashion trends but also her own growth, maturity, and evolving sense of self. It's a testament to the ever-changing, dynamic nature of both fashion and life. Samantha's influence extends globally, and her sari fashion choices often draw inspiration from international styles. Whether it's incorporating elements from Western couture or experimenting with global textile patterns, she showcases a fusion of cultural influences that transcends geographical boundaries. The actress often shares sari fashion tutorials, providing her followers with insights into her styling techniques. From perfecting the art of pleats to creating unique pallu drapes, these tutorials not only showcase her expertise but also empower her audience to experiment with their sari looks. For Samantha, each sari is a canvas, and she views sari fashion as a form of art. From hand-painted silk saris to saris adorned with intricate embroidery, she collaborates with artists to transform these traditional garments into wearable masterpieces, blurring the lines between fashion and art. Her sari fashion choices during pregnancy have been a source of inspiration for many. Embracing comfort without compromising on style, she effortlessly adapted traditional saris to accommodate her changing body. Her maternity sari looks radiate grace, proving that saris can be both practical and elegant. As a fashion icon, Samantha is mindful of her impact on future generations. Her sari fashion legacy goes beyond trends, it's about leaving a lasting imprint on the perception of sari fashion. Through her choices, she sets the stage for a continued celebration of the sari as a timeless and evolving garment. The actress frequently engages in cultural collaborations, bringing together fashion and traditional art forms. Her sari choices often feature collaborations with indigenous artists, showcasing the beauty of handcrafted embellishments and contributing to the preservation of age-old artistic traditions. Her extensive sari fashion journey is like an evolving archive. From her debut in the industry to her current fashion statements, she occasionally revisits iconic saris, highlighting their timeless appeal. This archival approach emphasizes the enduring charm of well-chosen and well-crafted saris. In a unique twist, the actress pays homage to historical figures through her sari choices. Whether channeling the grace of yesteryear actresses or incorporating vintage design elements, she adds a touch of nostalgia to her wardrobe, creating a bridge between the timeless elegance. Samantha is a front-row regular at fashion weeks, where she not only observes but actively participates in setting new trends. Her sari fashion choices during these events become a conversation starter, influencing the direction of contemporary sari styles and inspiring designers to push creative boundaries. Let's take a moment to appreciate the evolution of Samantha's sari fashion over the years. From the early years of experimenting with styles to the current era of confident and eclectic choices, her journey reflects a dynamic and ever-evolving approach to personal style, leaving a lasting impact on the fashion landscape. And there you have it, a glimpse into Samantha's sari fashion choices. Whether it's traditional, contemporary, minimalistic, or floral, she proves that saris are a canvas for personal expression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.